Hello, my name's Darren. I'm the owner of Bell's Chem Dry. Today I was hoping to talk to you a little bit about granite and what a lot of people don't know about granite. And that is that granite is, yes, very tough. Beautiful stone, seems indestructible. You can put a lot of heat on it, you can spill a lot of things on it, and it just cleans up great. However, what a lot of people don't know is that it does have the ability to absorb into a lot of the pores that it has in it. And occasionally it does need a deep cleaning, and a little more than your soap and water can actually do. Chem Dry has a 4-step process where we come in and we apply a cleaner and do a very heavy clean, and we get all of that bacteria and grime out of the pores of the stone. The second thing we do is we apply a rinse, and we rinse all of that bacteria and everything that we've washed out of the granite. The third step we do is we will seal the stone, which is rarely done by the factory when you purchase it. They usually just cut the stone and polish it. And the fourth thing we do is we do a repolish on the stone. So we bring it right back to, you know, like it looked the day you bought it. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments at the bottom of the page, or look us up on our website at bellschemdry.net. Thank you.